Hi everybody, John from Deck Masters of South Florida. We're coming to you from a rainy Miami Beach right now. We are at one of our luxurious homes that we are putting a beautiful deck on. Right now the deck's going to be 1x6 Cumaru, a Brazilian hardwood. We're getting truckloads of this in every day, and fortunate for us, one of our best suppliers, Brazilian Lumber, is just down the road. So they're able to supply us with all the Brazilian hardwoods that we need straight from South America. This is some of the freshest Cumaru I've ever seen. Anyway, there's a lot to do here. I'm giving you a sneak peek on my video. Unfortunately, it's raining, but it's bringing out the natural color on the Cumaru. And I'm going to bring you more when we get a little further.